friends, we the students of grade 8 and 9, myself Tanushika,
Myself Nitya, myself Janet, myself Ranjana.
I'm here to do a small conversation related to carbon emission. Let's get started.
Plastics are the common term for a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solid materials which are suitable for the manufacture of industrial products. Plastics are polymers of high molecular weight and may also contain many other substances to improve their performance. Plastics are one of the few new chemical materials which pose environmental threat. The plastics were invented by Leo Baekeland in 1907. The wide production and the usage of plastics have led to plastic pollution. Plastic pollution in today's world is becoming one of the most alarming environmental issues. The world is being overburdened with the rapid increase of plastics and disposable plastic products.
We went for a walk in the forest to observe a variety of species. We came to know about a lot of interesting facts about a variety of flora and fauna. Researchers from the centers told us many interesting tales about the behavior and characteristics of birds. At last, we had a question and answer session with one of the senior most observer and researcher of birds from SACON. He answered to most of our inquisitive questions. From the visit to SACON, we Don Bosco students understood the importance of nature and the need to preserve and conserve it. We promise not to destroy any species and we will not allow any of the species to be endangered. Thank you.